All right, guys. Joe and I parked the car, and we made it finally to the Santa Rosalia over here in Brooklyn, Bensonhurst. 18th Avenue Feast. Whew. That was traffic. But yo, let's go see what we can find, what we can do. What kind of trouble are we going to get into? I know there's a cannoli eating contest that probably has already taken place, but let's just check it out. Approximately 2 weeks. I'm not sure if it's 10 days or 2 weeks, but 18th Avenue every evening turns in to like the ultimate street fair.
Hey guys, guess what?
Famous Lucy's.
Yeah, I know.
All right, well, they did the cannoli contest up here, guys. We missed that part, but we're going to continue on. I wonder how many the big person ate. Oh no, don't lose the stuffed toy. Candy apples. Oh my God, that's a throwback. When was the last time you had a candied apple? I know, I'm a caramel apple girl. Ooh, they got the fire truck one. This was your dad's thing. It's like pseudo ski ball.
Come on down in the business. Follow the baby, please. Follow the girl, please.
Deep fried Oreos, Zappoli's. Oh, yeah. What?
Steak sandwich?
What do you want? You want a steak sandwich or a sausage?
Steak.
I don't see a price. You gotta, yeah. Oh, that cute puppy. Oh my God, look at all the people lined up at this one, Joe. Because it's Lucy's. Look at that line. That line's long. line for days. They're on line for days. Too much. Oh, look, Joe. We got the games. Yeah. Skill. It's skill, babe. It's skill. It's all skill. Ooh, you can buy your underwear here. Can you buy one? Oh.
Ice cream dinner. Ice cream
Beer
dinner.
pong. $3 to play. 5 shots. 3 out of 5.
Guys, if you can't play pong, it's okay. We got buy one get
That's
one free
funny.
at Cargill and
Win a free ice cream. Oh, guys. Joe's already looking at the food. He keeps moving. How much is it?
It's a call.
See, that's the thing. I want to know the price.
Steak. Steak was
Yeah, but it's a little cold. It's not warm. I know, but where's the price? Right? You gotta have a price. Somebody's doing one of those paintings. Oh, see, I knew it. I could smell the paint.
Gelato.
Helados. What does helados mean?
Ice cream. Ice cream.
It must be it. Oh, Joe, look at all the snacks. The little...
I want to go here, but nobody's eating it.
I know. It doesn't say no price. Explain that to me. What's with the no price?
I don't think anybody has prices.
I think that's so that they can make it up as they go along. Legit. Joe's scoping everything out. They don't. Cantonese beef delights. What are you thinking?
They're not taking cards. It's cash.
How do you know?
There's no machines anywhere. I don't see nothing but cash. There's no ATMs or anything. I mean,
Some of them do. That person's they have a little sign that they'll take it.
it's not. What is this?
Making juice. It is, right? They're making juice. Sugar cane. Damn. getting a smash burger, double, and I'll get a chicken sandwich. We'll test it out. Why not? It's going to be packed tonight. It's Friday night, so of course it's going to be packed. Look at the hawkers during the games.
Me muero Yolanda, te quiero Yolanda y me desespero. Me muero.
La notte maledico te e quando infine spunta l'alba c'è solo il vuoto intorno a me. La notte tu mi appari immensa, invano tento di afferrarti, ma ti diverti a tormentarmi. La notte tu mi fai impazzire, la notte mi fa impazzire, mi fa impazzire, e la tua voce voglio tanto bene.
Oh, what you get?
Per un istante
I'll let you get yours and eat.
mi chiami a sentire i tuoi
That's the sandwich. Is that yours? Nope, that's the chicken.
Quando ridendo ti allontani,
That's yours.
Mi fa impazzire.
Oh, it's wrapped in paper. Just eat it. Oh my God, is it good? Look at this thing. Oh my God. That looks so good. I can't eat the bun. Oh my God. It's like a Big Mac, but better.
Trovare un fiore e che non ho mai niente da regalare, dicono che c'è un chiodo.
Oh man. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Can you imagine if you lived in those apartments?
I know, right?
Like, hello. Hello. Goodbye. No. Look at, we got taxi cabs spinning.